Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how you can turn off call notifications on Instagram on your PC with the new update. First things first, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and locate the web address bar. Right next to it, you'll see an icon that says View Site Information. Click on that. A window will pop up with a few options. Look for the one that says Site Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your site settings. Scroll down until you see a section called Permissions. In that section, you'll find an option for notifications. There will be a box next to it that you can select. Click on that box. A drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Look for the option that says Block and select it. And that's it. You've successfully turned off call notifications on Instagram on your PC. Now you can browse in peace without being interrupted by constant notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.